Hello everyone, today I'm going to review this beautiful tote bag that I've made early last year. In the front, we have this front pocket with a snap for little things like receipts and headphones. For closure, we have a very professional looking recessed zipper. Here's a close-up of the rivets installed on the strap. At first I had serious doubt about whether these rivets are going to hold up. I thought they would get loose and pop off, but they held up just fine for the heavy load that I carried every day. There's a bit of wrinkling here because I was trying to laminate the bag to water and dirt proof it. It looked fine until I had to turn the project right side out, and in the process it got all wrinkly. I think it could be ironed flat again, but it just didn't bother me that much. I love the faux piping look on both sides of the bag. The front and back panels are joined at the bottom. I also love the double stitching at the bottom. Now let's look at this pocket. When the flap is open, you can see the entire deer that I was trying to feature on the front pocket. When I cut the fabric, I forgot about the flap, so now its face is completely covered up. Oh well. Opening up to the inside of the bag, look how much room we have here. The amenities inside of the bag are pretty standard. 2 slip pockets on the inside front, a zipper pocket on the back. So, how much can this bag hold?